Greetings, United ISD administrators. This tutorial is to review how to enroll your campus staff onto the learning management system so they can complete their learning modules. First, you will go to the URL box and type in texasassessment.gov. Once you have reached the landing page, look for the black banner and look for the various tabs. You're going to click on the one labeled Testing Personnel. Upon entering Testing Personnel tab, please scroll down to the area labeled Prepare for Testing, and you will look for the white card that is titled Learning Management System. At this time, all teachers have been uploaded to the Learning Management System. Once you have entered the Learning Management System, your role as a campus testing coordinator would be that of coming over to the Manager tab. So you're going to follow the cursor all the way to the right until you see a adult icon, and go ahead and click on the settings, and you're going to go from learner to manager. Once you've signed into the manager account, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to the left hand side and you're going to scroll down to the learning section and you're going to click on courses. You're going to look for the course that you would like to enroll or assign your campus staff to. So if you're looking for a particular course, I always like just to do the alphabetical A through Z. And for example, if this is the test security module that I need to assign, I'm just going to scroll down and look for that module. Here is the test security module that everyone would need to see prior to becoming a test administrator. So once I find the course, I'm going to come down to the three ellipses, the three little dots on this little right-hand corner. And if I hover over it, I have a couple of options. I have an option to view the course. So if I'm a learner, I can click on that and enroll myself. But at this point, the CTC will enroll all their campus staff. So you're going to click on Enroll Learners. And once you do that, you're going to be prompted to select how you're going to include or enroll your learners. So you're going to select or make sure the default is users. You're going to stay on this tab for users. And then you're going to include the various users. So for your campus, you'll need to do your campus district number, which everybody's is 240903, and then the last three are your campus number. So at this time, I'm going to use one of the middle schools. Okay, so this is George Washington. I have the option of selecting the organization or the campus. I select the campus. And right now, George Washington has 69 staff members, mainly teachers, that I can now assign this to. So you're going to, like I said, enter your campus number, all 9 digits, and from there, you should have the number of teachers that are enrolled in your campus, and now you can click on Proceed to enroll them in this course. Okay, it's going to ask you that you're including 69, you're not excluding anyone, and so now you're going to click on Enroll. So now, at this time, I want to make certain that once I enroll them, you let your teachers know that they will not be getting an email. If not, they will have to come to the LMS and they'll see the course. If I go back to Learner, they'll see their My Learning list, and whatever they've been enrolled in will appear here on the dashboard. Okay? So if I go to My Learning, this is where they can go ahead and select their own. But for the most part, they will have whatever they've been enrolled in here. So, well, how do I know if my teachers completed this? There is no certificate for the test security module. So I need to run a report. So I'm going to come back to Manager. Okay, and I'm going to come back to the left-hand side, and I'm going to select Learning Summary to view my report. So at this time, I'm not going to run an Excel report, but I'm going to click on the tab called Learnings View. And these are all the courses that my campus has been enrolling in. I just want you to note the columns. The first column is enrollments. And if they haven't enrolled for anything, the course will not appear. Second column is how many people have viewed it. And the third column, which is the one we're going to be looking at, are those that have completed the course. So first I'm going to look for the actual course that I have enrolled my campus staff in. So for example, you're going to be looking for test security. Okay. And here, this is how many people have enrolled in the district, how many are actually viewing it at this time. And then the last one is how many have completed. So this is the number that you're going to click on. So once you click on that number, you'll see that this is the test security module, and this is how many people have completed it. So even if it does say 0, that means that they are in the completed section. They're no longer in progress. So this is how you'll run your report. You'll click on actions. You're going to select all the people. You're going to click on actions, and then you're going to export this report. Okay, it may take some time to download, but this is the report that you will use to assure that everyone has completed the test security module or any other learning module that they will need to complete. Please feel free to call the Office of Student Assessment with any questions or guidance. Thank you and have a great day.